Your skin barrier is damaged, and that's the reason why your skincare products are not working anymore. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to heal your skin barrier in 7 days. Welcome back to the channel. First things first, what is skin barrier? Because you need to understand what your skin barrier is to understand how it effectively affects your skin. Your skin barrier acts like a shield that protects your skin from any damage. It protects your skin from any bad bacteria coming in to affect your skin. So think of it like a door that protects your skin from the outside world. And once that door is broken or there is any crack, those bad bacteria could seep in, leak into your skin, and start causing a lot of irritation and a lot of skin concerns on your skin. That's why you should always make sure that your skin barrier is always in check. Make sure that that door is never broken, no cracks, just so you can have a healthy skin. And what could cause the skin barrier from damaging is basically maybe you are over exfoliating, using too many products on your skin is sensitive, and you're using really harsh products on your skin. All of this could cause your skin barrier to be damaged. And once your skin barrier is damaged, you will definitely have signs. You will definitely have symptoms. It's something like irritation, stinging. Maybe when you apply things on your skin, your products on your skin, you start feeling this burning sensation. You would experience redness, reaction. Your skin would just be inflamed, irritated, and all of that. And that will tell you that your skin barrier is damaged. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. So first things first, when your skin barrier is damaged, you need to hit pause on the active ingredients that you have. Product like your scrubs, you need to pause on them. Your chemical exfoliant, vitamin C, high strength of kojic acid, mandelic acid, anything that is an active ingredient in your skincare, and focus on products that would nourish, hydrate, and moisturize your skin. That is what you should focus on. Now that you've stopped the damage, now that you've stopped any active ingredient, you need to focus on hydration. Your skin is thirsty. You need to give it all of the hydration that it wants, because this is what will start calming your skin and start helping you to repair and heal your skin barrier. Hydration is very, very important. So opt for essence, your toners, serum, and make sure that this kind of product that you are opting for does not contain any active ingredient, any brightening ingredient, any vitamin C, nothing. It should not contain anything at all, but rather what it should contain are ingredients that would calm and nourish your skin. Ingredients like centella, oats, aloe, panthenol, glycerin, ceramide. These are what you should be looking out for in your routine. Some essences that you can incorporate into your routine is this one from Purito or this one from CosRX. They do not contain any brightening ingredient or any harsh ingredients. And some toners that you can actually incorporate into your routine are like this milky toner from Molly, or this one again. These ones, they would help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, balance your skin, and bring hydration into your skin. For serums, you guys already know how I love this one from Skin 1004. It's a fantastic product in helping to calm your skin, and it's great in situations like this, calming your skin, helping you to build back your skin barrier. I have a detailed video about this serum, so if you want to go check them out, you can. So the reason why you're looking for product that doesn't contain any active ingredients is because if you continue using those active ingredients, they will continue irritating your skin and continue damaging your skin barrier. That is not what we're trying to do. And also make sure to keep things really, really simple. Do not overcomplicate your routine this period. Have maybe one essence, one serum, or you can do one toner, one serum that would effectively hydrate your skin, because if you overflood your skin with too many products, again, it could further irritate your skin. And also, you need to stop using any cleanser, active ingredient, or any cleanser that will strip your skin of its natural oils. What you should focus on is using a cleanser that is hydrating. Cleansers that contains ingredients like ceramide, oats, centella, ingredients that would calm your skin of any irritation that you are having. That is what you should be doing. Now, The third thing that you need to do is to lock in with a moisturizer. I know I mentioned hydration should be your best friend during this period, but hydration is great, but without you using a moisturizer after an hydrating product, the hydration will just evaporate and it will not even do anything on your skin. So you need a moisturizer that will help to seal up those hydration, that hydrating product, so that it will be very effective on your skin. And also the moisturizer will help to further repair your skin, because moisturizers, they do not just seal up other products, they help to further moisturize your skin, provide your skin with further nourishment, soothing, and that is exactly what you need this period. Do not get any moisturizer that contains any ingredient like retinoids. No, that's not what you should be using right now. Get a gentle basic ingredient that contains ceramide, fatty acid, aloe, soothing ingredients, and all of that. Hold it tight, because that is what you need. And if you have oily skin, be careful of the kind of moisturizer that you reach out for, else it could clog your pores and cause acne. Reach out for moisturizers that are gel-like, lightweight moisturizers that are not too thick for your skin, that are just right for your skin. While if you have dry skin, you can reach out for cream-based moisturizers that are thick and would effectively moisturize your skin. So moisturizers that I have used that actually does fantastic, especially for barrier repair, is this one from Dr. Attil's. Is actually trending on TikTok right now, but I've actually used this moisturizer like over 2 years ago, and it was an amazing product, like really good product. I still have it in my routine, works fantastic. And this one from B-Lab, if you know me, you know how I feel about this one from B-Lab. Really great. This one is really good for combination skin, oily skin, while this one from Dr. Attil, you can actually still use it if you have oily skin, but it's thicker, so you can actually try it. And if it's not so thick for your oily skin, then go with it. But if you have combination skin, dry skin, you would absolutely enjoy it. And if you have oily skin as well, you would still enjoy it. You need to also have your sunscreen. Sunscreens are non-negotiable, especially during the time that your barrier is actually damaged. You need to use your sunscreen, especially if you are going out in the sun, because when your skin barrier is damaged and you are still going out with the sun, you're not protecting yourself, it could further cause your barrier to become much more damaged. So always protect yourself. Reach out for any sunscreen that you know that you love and you're comfortable with, and make sure that the sunscreen that you're using is SPF 30 and above. Lastly, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. How many times did I repeat that? Make sure to always remember to keep it simple, because one mistake that I see some people make is when their skin barrier is damaged, that is when they start piling 10 products on their routine, like they start using a lot of product. That is the wrong thing for you to do. When your skin barrier is damaged, the last thing that you want to do is pile up product on your skin, because it is going to further irritate it. So make sure you streamline your skincare, like streamline it to few products. Less is the best thing for you to do at this time. Make sure you're using few products, like reverse back to the basic foundation, which is using 3 most important products, which is your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. But in this case, since your skin barrier is damaged, add up hydrating products like your essences, your toners, or serum that contains ingredients like what I have explained earlier. Add up something from that category so that it will further heal your skin barrier. Anything that contains active, far away from you. It should go far away from you. And I promise you, if you stick with this routine and use product like this in your skincare routine, you will definitely heal your skin barrier in 7 days. I have done it. It has worked for me. It has worked for me again, and it will continue to work for me. Just focus on what I have explained to you guys, and you will come back to me and testify. I also want to touch base on this product from Aveeno. It's a thermal spring water. This product actually helps you, especially if you have a damaged skin barrier. You just spray it on your skin and it helps you to balance your skin and help build back your skin barrier. So if you have the funds, this is one product you can actually have in your routine, and you just spray it on your skin after cleansing before going in with your toner, your hydrating toner or your essence, and it's going to really help you to build back your skin barrier. And for some people, you might not be able to heal your skin barrier in 1 week. It might take longer, especially if the damage is actually really severe. So just be patient with yourself. If it takes you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, be patient with yourself. But I know if you follow this routine, from 1 week you start seeing changes in how your skin feels, how your skin looks. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever had a damaged skin barrier in the past, and let me know how you healed it. And also let me know if this video was helpful to you, and if you're currently experiencing a damaged skin barrier. Also let me know if you end up trying this routine, if it actually did work for you. I would love to see comments on this if it works for you. Share this video with your friends and family. Share it with a skincare girly that is actually looking for ways to heal their skin barrier. Share it with them, and so they can learn and also benefit from this video as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I'll see you guys in this video. Don't go away.